Hello friends. Welcome back. I'm happy to see you again with another new travel vlog. Thank you all so much for your love and support on my previous video. Please do keep supporting me. So as you've seen in the description, this vlog is all about our weekend bike trip to Aircard. Today is 16th of Jan and time is around 4:30 am. As usual, this is going to be a group trip. I'm now headed to the group meeting point. Myself, Hari Vivan. I'm basically a travel freak. Traveling is my passion and hobby. I go on bike trips on every weekend and I drive with my Royal Enfield Himalayan. This channel is all about travel related videos. I'll be uploading new travel videos every week. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to catch up with all my upcoming vlogs. So I have reached the group meeting point. We all decided to gather in Forum Mall Koramangala. Hi, Hari. Hey, hi.
Hi,
Hari.
Vikas.
Hello, sir. Hi. Hi. Thank you all for joining. This is going to be a super duper exciting trip. Okay, so here are the rules. He's the first captain and he's the sweeper. Okay, he might go in the little front and he might come in the back also. But the second leading captain is Moli. KTM 390 adventure. So all will maintain a speed of 80. Nobody will go more than 80 and no overtaking, no collision. Okay, first is Vincent, second is Moli, third is Narasimha, he's not here, fourth is Shiva. We started our journey after a small briefing on route details, ride formation, etc. We educate our riders on safety awareness and ride discipline to have a safe journey. Aircard is about 200 kilometers from Bangalore. Travel duration is about 5 hours. Aircard is basically a hill station located in the state of Tamil Nadu, lies in Salem district. The place is located at 4,970 feet above sea level. It's one of the must-visit places near Bangalore for short weekend getaways. If you are a nature lover, trekker and a photographer, then this place is absolutely for you. Around 10 am, we stopped for breakfast in Dharmapuri. About 14 people with 12 bikes joined our trip. We had Dominar, Royal Enfield, KTM and other sports bike in our trip. This trip was organized by myself and my friend Winston. We have a riding group called the Gay Tribe. It's an exclusive group for bike riders and travelers. If you are a biker and want to be a part of our next ride, join our Facebook group called the Gay Tribe. We organize bike trips every 2 weeks. I've posted the group invite link in the below description. You can also contact me through the Instagram. The roads are pretty good until Salem. You can easily cruise in 80 km per hour in this highway. Around 12 am, we reached the Salem city. From Salem, you need to take a small diversion to head to Aircard. You need to pay a small entry fee for bikes, it's about 15 rupees and for cars it's about 30 rupees. E-registration is mandatory for visiting Aircard. You will be checked in the check post which is exactly after 100 meters from the entry point. The drive through the Ghats was absolute bliss. It was an amazing experience riding at 4,900 feet above the sea level and covering 20 hairpin bends. Enjoy the view of the Ghats.
Anywhere I go, you want me. You're the one for whom I'm happy. I've crossed all 7 seas just to see you. You set my heart at ease. I never knew that this is how we meet. Your presence in my world makes it complete. You are the one I'm at my best halfway. Come take my hand and let love set us free.
Hello guys, very good afternoon. So finally we have reached Aircard. So time is around 12 o'clock now. So we have checked into the hotel. So the resort name is called Sahana Cottages. The view is very stunning. It is in the most exterior. It's about 3 to 4 kilometers from the main Aircard city, from the lake point. And the rooms are pretty good, very clean. And we have got individual cottages. About one building has about 2 cottages. The entire place is covered with fog, water drive. So just behind me you can see the cottages. So those are the cottages. So stay tuned, watch the video completely. So let me show you the room tour now. You can visit this hotel for your lunch. The food is really good. We are now headed to visit the waterfalls. It's one of the must visit places in Aircard. So George, where are we going?
Going to Kiriyur Falls.
Things first. Right from the lake town, the falls is about 3 to 4 kilometers, but it took us almost 45 minutes to reach here. First thing, the parking issue. Being a festive season and a long weekend, the place is too crowded. So somehow we managed to get the parking. The second thing is, on the way to the falls, there is about 300 steps that we have to get down. While going, it's an easy task, but I don't know what is going to happen while coming back. Almost my energy is drained. So I hope the fall looks very magnificent. I hope it's worth it. Let's check it out. Stay tuned, watch the video completely, guys.
Oh my god!
Hello guys, very good evening. So finally we reached the resort. It was crazy fun at the waterfalls. We were all damn exhausted. So we reached the resort around 6:30. So everybody has gone for freshen up. So I'm ready. So you can hear the party is already started. We are having campfire for tonight. So this is end of day 1. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Stay tuned. The next day we finished our breakfast and headed straight to the pagoda viewpoint. This place is about 7 kilometers from the main city. The best time to visit is during the early mornings to watch the sunrise. We couldn't believe our eyes. The time is around 10 am and this place is completely filled with fog. It's really an amazing experience. You can actually have a complete view of Airka town from this spot. I highly recommend you to come and visit this place on your next visit. We also indulged ourselves with some fun activity.
Three times. हो गया तेरा?
Now we are headed to the Aircard Lake to have some boating experience. The entrance fee to the boathouse is 6 rupees per person, and charges may vary for the boat rides depending on the boat that you choose. You get to enjoy the 15 minutes ride in the boat, and the experience was just amazing. We finished our ride and headed back to Bangalore. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your doubts in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another interesting travel vlog. Until then, this is Hari Vivin signing off. Thanks for watching.